Chris Quintana and Stephanie Georgakopoulos of Cash Flow Hacks highlight the importance of estate planning for everyone. Cash Flow Hacks, the popular financial podcast hosted by Chris Quintana, has released a new episode that dives into the topic of estate planning. In this informative episode, Chris and her guest, Stephanie Georgakopoulos, shed light on the misconceptions surrounding estate planning and emphasize its importance for individuals of all financial backgrounds. Video link. Episode begins with Chris introducing Stephanie as her guest and setting the stage for a discussion on estate planning. Chris emphasizes the need to educate listeners about topics their financial advisors may not cover, as the less people know, the more financial advisors can profit. Stephanie then explains that estate planning is not just for the wealthy but is relevant at all stages of life. She breaks down the essential documents in an estate plan, such as wills, living wills, healthcare proxies, financial powers of attorney, and trusts. One key point Stephanie makes is the significance of having a will. She shares a cautionary tale about a client named Karen, who mistakenly left her late husband's 401k assets to his ex-wife because she did not understand the implications of beneficiary designations. This story serves as a powerful reminder of the importance of seeking professional advice when creating a will. Chris then takes the mic to discuss living wills and healthcare proxies. She explains that these documents allow individuals to outline their medical treatment preferences and designate someone to make decisions on their behalf if they become unable to do so. Chris stresses the importance of having these documents in place to avoid burdening loved ones with difficult decisions during already stressful times. The conversation then shifts to financial powers of attorney, which grant someone the authority to act on behalf of the principal, the person creating the document, in financial matters. Chris and Stephanie discuss the benefits of having a financial power of attorney and the situations in which it can be crucial. Finally, the episode delves into the topic of trusts. Chris explains that a trust can help protect assets from probate and estate taxes, which can be costly and time-consuming. She highlights the importance of including certain assets, such as bank accounts, investment accounts, and real estate, in a trust to avoid probate. Chris also introduces the concept of a hybrid trust, which offers the benefits of both revocable and irrevocable trust, providing asset protection, tax benefits, and flexibility. To encourage listeners to tune in to the full episode, Chris and Stephanie tease some intriguing points discussed, creating curiosity. They also invite listeners to leave questions in the comments section of their Facebook page or in a review on Apple Podcasts, promising to address them in future episodes. Listeners can access the full episode on the Cash Flow Hacks website or subscribe to the podcast on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or their preferred podcast platform. About Cash Flow Hacks, Chris Quintana hosts Cash Flow Hacks, a financial podcast that provides valuable insights and strategies to help individuals make more, save more, and live more in the present. By tackling topics that traditional financial advisors may not cover, Cash Flow Hacks empowers listeners to take control of their financial future. Get more information at CQ Consulting Services.